टू दिस वीडियो। आज मैं बात कर रहा हूँ रिटेल सेल्स में अपीयरेंस के हवाले से कि अपीयरेंस कितनी इम्पोर्टेंट होती है आपके कस्टमर का ट्रस्ट विन करने के लिए। एक रिसर्च ये बताती है कि जो कस्टमर्स जो लोग ज़्यादा बेहतर ड्रेस करते हैं, जो लोग ग्रूम्ड होते हैं, जो लोग अप्रोप्रिएटली अपीयर होते हैं इन फ्रंट ऑफ द कस्टमर्स हु लुक एंड फील एंड exude the confidence amongst or within their customers, they tend to sell way more of the product, and to be specific, they sell 3 times as much as the average other salesperson who does not really concentrate on their appearance. And appearance has got 3 things to look at. Number one is, and of course it has to do with grooming, which further has 2 points. So grooming has to be taken care of, and grooming में 2 चीज़ें आ जाती हैं. First of all, it's your hygiene. आपको समझ तो आ गई होगी जो बताया है. Okay, so grooming has one thing which is your hygiene, and hygiene में आपका the way you're smelling, the way your body odor. First of all, you should make sure कि body odor कोई नहीं है which is making it unwelcoming for the customer to stand along with you. Number 2, your hair is done properly. आपके hair properly combed है. If it's not looking well, then it should be properly trimmed. अगर आपने beard रखी हुई है तो it should be appropriately combed. It should be appropriately trimmed as well. If you're not fond of having a beard, then you should get it properly shaved almost at least every second or third day, depending upon the growth of your facial hair. और उसके बाद it comes down to your face, the way your face is looking. It should look neat and clean and tidy, because of course ये बड़ा मैटर करता है. अगर मैं आपको एग्जांपल दूँ, to a place there where you go and buy your bread, अगर आपको वो ब्रेड वाला नीट एंड क्लीन नहीं लगेगा, you will not prefer to go there ever again, because you see, neatness and cleanliness is a very essential part of our trade. तो वो बहुत important है. तो hygiene का ख्याल रखें, and body odor must shower every day. No matter आजकल सर्दियाँ हैं, सर्दियों में लोग prefer नहीं करते, but still body shower लेना बहुत important है in sales, because sometimes you don't even notice because you get insensitive of the smell that is coming from your body, but customer can feel and can actually notice every small bit that's coming from you. So उसका ख्याल रखना चाहिए. Other than that, hygiene के अलावा we must look at the way we are appropriately dressed, और उसमें तो ड्रेसिंग हैज़ टू गो विद योर बिजनेस कोड. कि अगर आपका यूनिफॉर्म है तो इट शुड बी एज पर द गाइडलाइन ऑफ द कंपनी. उसमें जो चीज़ें हैं उसमें आपका ड्रेस है, आपका ड्रेस कोड कैसा है, आपका द कलर ऑफ योर ड्रेस, इफ़ इट्स आयरन प्रॉपरली, इफ़ इट्स नॉट फेडेड इनफ, और इफ़ यू वेयरिंग अ बेल्ट, देन द बेल्ट शुड मैच द कलर ऑफ योर आउटफिट. और your shoes, if you're wearing formal, then the shoes should be formal. If it's casual, then the shoes can be casual, depending upon the guideline of the business. You must follow that. Oh, bacha. She's going to be the next public speaker, just like Baba. Did I say it right? Okay. And last thing is your attitude, very important. Now you've taken care of your hygiene, you've taken care of the way you're dressing. If the attitude is not right, because see, a person who looks good with a bad attitude will never come along nicely. So attitude should be friendly. In sales, you must always consider that the people you're dealing with are people. They're emotional. They require, or they need your help. They need your care. So you should be having that kind of an attitude which tells people that you're actually empathetic, that you're actually taking care of them. And so just looking at these 3 things, you can improve and impact a lot into your sales, and you will come across a lot more confident, especially because when you're dressing properly, when you're properly groomed, when you're having the right attitude, you will come across very, very confident, and customers want to deal with people who are confident. So they will feel confident amongst themselves, and they will then in return spend money based on how they're feeling along with you. If they're not feeling right, they're not going to spend their money. If they're feeling right, they're going to spend a lot of their money, and they will eventually they will retain as well. So this was today's video. I hope you liked it. Inshallah फिर मुलाकात होती है in the next video. Till then, take a very good care of yourself. If you have not yet subscribed, do subscribe to this channel, because I'll be sharing a lot of fashion related, sales related material over here. See you in another video. Take care. Allah Hafiz.